Hey guys, my name is Alexis and this product was sent to us so we could go ahead and take a look. So as you can see, we've got it set up outside right now. The sun is shining and it looks so beautiful. This is perfect for relaxation, meditation, yoga, even just outside, adding it to your decor. You've got a garden, a special area. This would fit in perfectly. I love the sound of the running water. It's really relaxing and soothing. It lets you kind of focus in on that and concentrate. It does have LED lights down here, so his little pot is shining bright. Kind of hard to see with the sun, but at night you'd be able to still see what's going on with this. It's also got some lights down in here as well, which I'll show you in a second, that are very beautiful. Again, giving that glow and effect still at night. As you can see, the water is dripping down, it fills up here, flows down, and then at the bottom as well, it does fill up. So overall, really great material. We've had this outside now for a while, and as you can see, it still looks great. And you can use it indoors. Like I said, maybe you've got a yoga studio or somewhere you want just some peace and running water sound. You could definitely put it there. Overall, really impressed with this, and if you're in the market, I would highly recommend it. Here you guys go, can see it closer up. Again, just super relaxing and beautiful. Everything's working perfectly. Everything came just like this too, so really not like any install much needed. Definitely go check it out, guys.